So we've just used the bench hook to make our one piece into our two pieces, our front and our back. But the problem is, it's not the right size yet. We've still got that little bit through there. We need to go to the disc sander to be able to get that off and make it look perfect. Let's go. I've got my two pieces. I'm ready to use the disc sander, but I'm not. I haven't got my hearing protection or my eye protection. Now I'm ready to go. I need to turn our dust extraction. What that does is that gets rid of all the dust that we're sanding. Now if you're in wood 1, it's over in the corner, just over there. Now anyone can turn that on. All you need to do is to come over, and you'll hear that start up and turn on. Now if you're in wood 2 and need the dust extractor on, let me show you where that is. Let's go for a quick journey. There's our spindle, our disc sander. Now I'm ready to go through and use it. Alright, here we go. I have my square edge here, and I've also got my piece. Now I want to make sure my hands aren't too close to that line there. I want them back just a little bit. I want them hard up against there because I know that's perfectly 90 degrees there. It's perfectly square. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure my timber isn't up against, my ply isn't up against the disc sander. I'm going to move that back a little bit, and then I'm going to press the start button up here, and that will start spinning now. It's not too noisy, this machine, which is fantastic. I'm just going to get my fingers, you can see my hands there, they're not too close, but I'm just going to get it and just run that back. Awesome, there we go. I've turned my bigger piece into my front and back pieces that I can now start drawing on my designs for the front and back of my brief house. Okay, but you might notice there's just a little bit of a burr just along here. So what I've done is I've gone and got a piece of 240 grit sandpaper and a sanding block, and all I'm going to do is just very carefully just go around all those edges there and just take them off, just so there's no sharp edges on there. I'm not going to get any splinters or anything like that from those edges. I don't need to sand the front and the face just yet, I can do that later. So that's how to go from this to those two pieces ready to start for your designs. Hope you enjoyed this edition of Big Bull Technology. Our next video will go through and show you how to draw all your designs on your front pieces or on the scrap pieces that you need. If you need a circle or a triangle or a square or anything like that for an add-on, you can then put those on there. So the next video, I'll show you how to use the drill press, how to use the coping saw to get all those little bits and pieces done so we can get this project underway. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, put that notification bell on. See you in class.